To add an indicator in eToro, first, open your eToro trading platform and navigate to the chart of the asset you wish to analyze. You can do this by selecting the asset from your watch list or searching for it in the search bar. Once you are on the chart, look for the Technical Indicators button, which is usually located at the top of the chart interface. Click on the Technical Indicators button, and a menu will appear displaying various indicators you can choose from. Browse through the list and select the indicator you want to add. You can use popular indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, or Bollinger Bands. Once you click on your desired indicator, it will be added directly to your chart. After adding the indicator, you may want to customize its settings. To do this, click on the indicator line or area on your chart. This action will bring up a settings menu, allowing you to modify parameters such as color, style, and specific calculations based on your trading preferences. Make any changes you need, and then save them to apply to your chart. Finally, take some time to analyze how the indicator interacts with price movements on your chart. Understanding how to read and interpret the signals from the indicators will enhance your trading strategy. Experiment with different indicators and settings to find what works best for your trading style.